How to log in WhatsApp with Gmail account. So hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how you can log in WhatsApp with Gmail account. It's very easy. First of all, access your WhatsApp account. Just open your WhatsApp, and then here you just need to tap on the three dots and go to settings. Under settings you can see accounts, privacy, avatar, and all of the options. You need to go to account. And here you can see you can either log in with your email address or your phone number. Since I've created my account with a phone number, I can access my account with a phone number, but I can also make it easy for me to access it with email address. What I'm going to do is tap on email address and add email and tap on next. Okay, after that your account will be verified in your device and tap on continue. And now after adding my Gmail account, I can not only access my WhatsApp with the number but also with a Gmail account. You may just install a new WhatsApp app and enter your Gmail account or your given phone number, but since we're gonna use our Gmail account, we can use our Gmail account and log in into our WhatsApp account. So in this way we can log in into WhatsApp account with our Gmail account. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching.